the doorways, open up and see.
Hello world, this is Abhinav Tonk. So the basic topics that I'm going to cover in this video are normal household item that you are going to use in order to do home workout for chest. Then I'll also explain you the anatomy of chest. I'll also explain you the scientific strategy in order to design the home workout for chest. Then we will quickly see the home workout for chest. And then finally I'll teach you how you will basically design your complete workout schedule. And whatever things I will explain, be it the scientific strategy or the workout schedule, I will cover it for both gym goers as well as someone who never went to gym. So someone who wants to start his or her fitness journey first time in the life, they are going to benefit a lot from this video. So let's get started. Stay tuned till the end of this video. You are going to learn a lot of exciting things in next 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's discuss on what particular things we will use in order to do our home chest workout. So we will be using the water bottles in order to perform the home chest workout. So you guys can basically take the soda bottles also. So 2-liter soda bottles that comes up in market, you can use that as well. So if minimum 2 liters of bottle you can arrange, then it will be very good. And basically you can fill these bottles with either water, or if you want to make your bottles a little heavier, then you can use sand or wet sand, because sand's density is more than that of water, and wet sand is even more dense than the normal sands. So you can use sand and wet sand in order to make your bottles heavier. Now let's quickly discuss about the anatomy of chest muscle. So the diagram that you are seeing currently is the major pectoral. So this bone-like structure, this is known as collarbone or clavicle. So the chest muscles originating from clavicle or collarbone is known as clavicular head. Now this middle portion, this bone-like structure, this is known as sternum. So all chest muscle originating from sternum, or the head of chest muscles originating from sternum, is known as sternal head, and these are costal cartilages. So the head of chest muscles originating from costal cartilages is known as costal head. Now sternal head and costal head are collectively known as sternocostal head. So chest muscles have basically 3 heads. First one is clavicular head, second one is sternal head, third one is costal head. And if we are considering sternocostal head, then we can say that chest muscles have 2 heads. First one is clavicular head and the second one is sternocostal head. Now clavicular head as well as upper portion of sternal head, this particular portion, this is upper chest. Middle portion of sternal head as well as lower portion of sternal head, so this is middle chest, and costal head is known as lower chest. So this was the quick anatomy of major pectoral muscles. So these are the 3 cases that I have already explained you in my previous video, where I have explained on whether high repetition is beneficial or whether lifting the heavier weight is beneficial. So basically when we are doing the home workout, we have the limitation that we do not have the access to the heavier weights. So when we have to compromise from lighter weight, then our home workout will basically fall under this section: high endurance and high volume training. And in that case you have to maximize your repetitions as well as sets to compensate for your training when you do not have access to heavier weights at home. So just remember this fact that while doing the home workout with lighter weight, our training goal is high endurance or high volume training. Now discussing on the strategy that we are going to take for gym goers. So I have already told you and I have already explained you that when we will be designing the home workout for gym goers, then we will basically equating the exercise volume. That is, exercise volume at home should be equal to exercise volume at gym. So whatever exercise volume you are achieving at gym, basically that should be your target exercise volume at home. This is for gym goers. And for beginners, I have already told that we will be going to follow the Fibonacci series. That means in the first week, the target should be 1K of exercise volume. In the second week, target exercise volume is again 1K. In third week, target exercise volume is 2K. In fourth week, it is 3K. Fifth week 5K, and so on. So I have already made a video on this topic as well. So if you want to see that video in detail and want to understand this particular strategy, so you can basically go through that particular video. So this was the strategy that we are going to follow for gym goers as well as for beginners. So the first exercise is flat push-ups. So here total weight in this exercise is 64% of the body weight. Here you can keep your palm separation from medium to wide grip. Next one is knee push-ups. So in knee push-ups, the total weight in this exercise is 49% of the body weight, and palm should be in the plane of middle chest, and implement R.E.D of breathing technique. That is, in rest phase you have to breathe in, and in effort phase you have to breathe out. Next one is decline push-ups. So here total weight is 75% of the body weight if the feet elevation is 24 inches from the ground. Next one is incline push-ups. So here total weight of this exercise is 41% of the body weight if the hand elevation is 24 inches from the ground. So you can use a chair in order to make the hand elevation. Next exercise is weighted flat push-ups. So here total weight is 64% of the body weight plus the weight of the bag. Next one is weighted knee push-ups. So here total weight is 49% of the body weight plus weight of the bag. So you can put some books in the bag to make it little heavier. Next one is weighted decline push-ups. So here total weight is 75% of the body weight plus the weight of the bag if the feet elevation is 24 inches from the ground. Next one is weighted incline push-ups. So here total weight is 41% of the body weight plus the weight of the bag if the hand elevation is 24 inches from the ground. Next one is flat bottle fly on the floor. So here you keep your chest muscles tight during the whole range of motion, and bottles should be in the plane of middle chest during the whole range of motion. Next exercise is flat bottle press on floor. Here also you have to keep your chest muscles tight during the whole range of motion, and bottles should be in the plane of middle chest during the whole range of motion. And of course you have to implement R.E.D of breathing technique. That is, in rest phase you have to breathe in, and in effort phase you have to breathe out. Next one is bottle pullover on the floor. Here also you have to keep your chest muscles tight during the whole range of motion and try to stretch your chest as much as you can during the backward motion. This is a bench-like arrangement at home, so be innovative and try to find a bench-like arrangement at your home. So some of the foldable sofas, as you can see in this video, can serve the purpose. So next exercise is flat bottle fly on bench-like arrangement. So here you have to keep the bottles in the plane of middle chest during the whole range of motion, and your hands should have slight bend at the elbows. Next one is flat bottle press on bench-like arrangement. So you have to keep your chest muscles tight during the whole range of motion, and bottles should be in the plane of middle chest during the whole range of motion. Next one is bottle pullover on bench-like arrangement. So here also you have to keep your chest muscles tight during the whole range of motion and try to stretch your chest as much as you can during the backward motion. Next one is book squeeze. So you can hold a heavy book between your palms at the middle of your chest and press the book tightly with both palms. So you will feel the good stretch in your chest by doing so, and maintain this stretch during the whole range of motion and implement R.E.D or breathing technique. So these are sample set of exercises that I have considered for a guy who used to go to gym and perform his chest workout. Exercise volume that came after calculating the respective exercise volume was 13,116 kg rep set. So for this particular guy, the exercise volume for the chest home workout will be 13,116. I've already explained in the workout videos as well. So these are the weight distribution in the push-up exercises, right? And I have considered that the weight of the guy is 80 kg. Considering all these factors, I have came up with the repetitions and set for all these exercises, and basically and eventually I have came to the final exercise volume of 13,116. So this is for the gym goer. For the beginners, we have already seen, so for first week, as per the Fibonacci series, the exercise volume should be 1k or 1000 kg rep set, right? So this is the set of few exercises, because as for beginners we should take it a little bit lightly. So we are considering only few exercises, and repetitions and set we are keeping low as compared to the gym goers. And then finally we have came up with the workout schedule for 1000 kg rep set exercise volume, and eventually for the second week it will be 1000 kg rep set only, but from third week onward it will be basically updating as per the Fibonacci series. I'm just giving you the basic overall idea on how to design your own workout schedule, so you guys have to do little bit of maths yourself in order to come up with the workout schedule for home workout. So this was the basic idea.